Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about them other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a preparation for a vacation. For the first time ever, your girl's going on a trip by herself with her boyfriend, without no family, without no adults, nothing. So I want to take you guys along with me and prep and everything. If you guys want to see the full vlog and everything, that will soon be on our channel, which I will mention in the video. But for now, you guys will see me get ready, pack my bag, and get my hair done, my nails done. So stay tuned, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much.
Two days later.
Oh my god, y'all, let's bring back old memories. I didn't really get to show you guys how my hair really looked yesterday because I was filming a different video. And I told you guys I got my hair done yesterday, but I really didn't. I just showed me like the process and stuff. But this is the hair color I got. It's an ash blonde, but it's like a lot like darker than ash blonde. You really can't see right now. Besides planting my toes on me because there's a pattern going on. I have one toe with polish on, the other one with no polish. One toe with polish, one without it. Not doing it. That looks ugly, but y'all can see that I got my nails done already, right? I'm gonna get my eyebrows done today too. I'm gonna go to the other nail salon because I'm going to this one right near my house because they don't really be having nobody. And then I'm gonna go to the one, and I might kind of do my toes too. And I'm gonna go to one by my house to do my eyebrows. Come on, guys, let's go. Time involved on my phone is so ew. I see why. Alright, guys, as y'all saw, I got my nails done on Wednesday, so we got the little my mini extender is what I call my extender, because you have to add extra nails to make it as long as I want it to be. And I got my hair done by my girl Hair by Diva. Period, poo. I'm about to pack my suitcase for the third time because I didn't pack how I wanted to the second time. I packed good, but then I got some cuter items, so I want to like change up my outfits condo. So, and y'all, we're gonna be gone for 4 days. The 10th to the 14th, me and my boyfriend. So, they also picked me up some things. I got me a new flat iron I'm going to take with me because I want to have straight hair. I got me a makeup little thing. I'm going to carry this, you know. I'm going to put it in my bag that I take with me. I want to take maybe my MCM bag because it's big. I have this BB bag. This was $8, so maybe this was like 13 or 15. I don't know. But they're both from Burlington, so thanks to my dad for buying me this. I'm trying to pack light, but it ain't happening. So, because I really like these shoes right here. And they're really cute on my feet. So, you know me. I had these pretty little things. Here you guys. This is my little suitcase right here. This is like other stuff that I probably want to bring. Yeah. I found me some headscarves I want to bring. Yeah, so I can wear this with the Chanel headband. And then a Chanel salon. Also got me this from Burlington too. It's really, really cute. Only $13. It's a Herschel bag, whatever. I really just got this because I feel like this will go cute with this dress. You know, I don't know. Now I have this color and I'm definitely wearing this color for the trip. I gotta change my outfits again because now I gotta bring more colorful things for the bus so I can sleep. My suitcase is already packed, but we're gonna start over. I really have to dim down my outfits because I really was dragging it. So these are one of the shoes I'm wearing to go with my outfits. So I'm bringing that. I have my Yeezy slides in here as well. Oh, these are like, oh, they're bending. Oh, they're getting marks. Also my face mask too that I have. First of all, y'all, look at this, y'all. Tell me this ain't gonna be a look. Hold on. Get the hell. Tell me y'all it's not a look. Who you telling me a look to? This is a cute dress, y'all. I think I want to bring this. This is really cute. I need to start packing my undies and stuff too, so I'm gonna go get those, put them in, I'll be back. Okay, guys. So I'm back now. I just went through so much clothes, y'all. So, like, overwhelming. I have to get the shoes and stuff, like I said. So the bathing suits I have this pink one I'm gonna bring. This cheetah one. I definitely like 3-piece sets because I just feel like it looks like more classy and stuff. Got this Louis Vuitton one that the Baddie Factory sent me a while back, I believe. Which I think, you guys, this one or this one. So I'm back. I've got to have these shoes and I want to bring them so bad, but I don't wear them yet. I want to wear them for the summer's over. But I never tried them on either. These are some cute sandals that I got. Oh, I've got to have my other off-white. Nah, I got so much. It's looking like they're gonna bring these, but like I was saying, I got these other flip-flops. I even forgot I got these. I don't know why. Cause look, y'all, this goes perfect with this shirt. And this is really cute too. Cause I feel like I wear this with some other shoes that I have. This is really cute too. I just don't know what shoes to wear with this. I feel like I wear my Alexander McQueen's with this outfit though. But I feel like I got too much black, y'all. Cause I was already thinking of me having my red curly hair. Ugh, so annoying. As y'all can see, my suitcase is ready to go again. And it's a lot bigger. Cause like I had like this part where I can expand and make it a lot bigger for me to like put everything in and close it. But I have all the shoes in there and everything, hopefully. Praying to the Lord I do. So yeah, y'all, now I'm gonna just get something to eat and stuff when y'all see me again, because I have everything ready to go.
12 o'clock midnight.
Alright, you guys, so I didn't get a chance to show you guys I got my eyebrows done because it happened super fast, and I also got my mustache waxed because we was not playing around with those wax strips I got. And then of course, you know, I'm sorry if you can hear my AC, got my toes done. Now we're gonna like continue packing. I packed my makeup and stuff, and I'm not wearing no makeup today because I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup lately, so I'm gonna pack that. I was gonna pack my hygiene stuff, my hair stuff, you know, all that jazz. And I ordered something from Amazon because something that I want to wear is like see-through, and I want to make sure that I'm covered. So it came a whole day early, which I was so surprised about, but I'm happy about it. It's just a black dress, honestly, so I could just throw it on like under what I'm wearing. It's something really cute. It's like a little slip dress. It's a tank top dress. As you guys can see, I have my neck thing. My mom let me borrow this. A blanket because I get really cold and the buses get really cold. I got my outfit that I'm wearing. This is my makeup traveling bag. It obviously can't fit in my suitcase. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be carrying like my MCM bag or like something that's like a big tote. So I can put this in, and also like some necessities or whatever, because I have to carry my laptop. I still have to do my college classes, so I have to bring that. This is the last week of my college classes. Wow. I have 3 days left for college class, so I want to make sure that, you know, I do my college class. Like, what the hell, why would you miss all those days? Only 3 days left. And I also have to take a test. I know I have to take one more test, I think, and then that's it, hopefully, because yeah, let's begin to pack. Y'all, so this is all my makeup items, my new makeup items that I have. It's not a lot, you know, but I got me the Juvia's Place loose highlighter because I really wanted to try it. And I also got me the Sacha matte face powder. I got me a Wet n Wild kabuki brush. It was $3. I also got this from Burlington. It was $7. It's a NYX Off Tropic eyeshadow palette, and I wanted to bring this because I just feel like the colors is just so, you know, vacation vibes. And I also got me some Nair, the hair removal lotion. Everybody knows this. Alright guys, it's packed. I'm gonna leave it open because I might want to do my eyebrows in the morning because I want to take some cute pictures. I just need to get the bag I want to bring. This one is like so dirty, and the first day I wore it, it was so clean. so excited, but I'm so nervous, y'all, because I've never been like on a trip by myself with some like my boyfriend, because that's the only boyfriend I ever did anything with. You say we did something, everybody always be like, oh yeah, I did. Like, no, I mean, like, we did stuff, like, you know, we went places, went on dates, we went places together, like, we fucking did shit. It's our first vacation together. Like, it's not even a real vacation. It's like vacation, honestly, but it's not the vacation that we was gonna have. We supposed to go to Mexico this year, we supposed to go to Cancun, but it got canceled because of the virus. I was talking about it in a lot of my videos, like, oh my god, can't wait to go on vacation with my boyfriend, and my mom's gonna be there, but this vacation my mom's not coming, so this is like, whoa, like, this is crazy. Like, I'm so excited. Like, I want to see how it feels to just be like me and him. Like, we're gonna be turning up at the beach and stuff. I just really want to go to the beach and just relax. Like, I want us to have like a peaceful week. We're gonna be there for the whole week. I just want to have a peaceful week, and I'm just like so excited. Everything fits nicely, and this is like not even heavy, so if I wanted to just carry this, I could, but I'm not, because I have to carry my own stuff.
The next morning.
Alright guys, so it's later on, as you guys, well, it's the next day basically. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning right now. I have to take a college. Yo, I hate these motorcycles around my house, bro. So many like motorcycles and dirt bike riders around my house. It's so annoying. Yesterday was Sunday, so of course I spent the whole day with my dad, and then we came home. We always stay out the whole day. Well, no, my bestie Michaela, y'all know Michaela, my friend, she texted me. She was like, you know, you do the test. I'm like, what test? I mean, I know we had a test, but I'm like, no, I didn't do it yet. I'm gonna do it probably Monday, whatever. She like, girls do tonight. I said, tonight? What you mean tonight? But yeah, y'all, it was due at like 12 o'clock. I handed it to her at 12:30. Even though I finished early, I was like trying to like, you know, leave it like so it could look like I took a lot of time, but I really didn't. But yeah, me and my dad went to Target, and we went to KFC because I was hungry. So I need some essentials from Target, of course, to go on my trip. I wanted to buy like a lot of travel size things because I didn't want to carry like large everything. Like, nobody got time for that. So, and I also got shape, like I told you guys, I have my nair that I'm gonna use for my legs. So I got me this razor. It's a white and rose gold razor. It looks so cute, and it was $10. Also got me the pubic hair wax. I don't know, yo, when I saw it I was like, okay. I also got me some like refills because I always like forget to buy a new razor or refill it. Got me the foam and shave gel just to use to condition. You know, it has aloe vera. That's really why I want to use it, because I have like some moisturizing gel after I'm done, you know, shaving everywhere. I use it for everywhere. I have the aloe vera, but aloe vera is really good for your skin and helps to keep it soft. I got me this hairspray just because I see my hairstylist use it, and I was trying to find it, but I only saw the small one. I got me this mini Garnier Skin Active Micellar cleansing water because I have a big one, but who carrying that? Not me. Got me a Cetaphil, a small moisturizing lotion, because first of all, I have the big version. I'm not carrying that. I also got me, it's basically like a body soap, and I got this. I don't know if I'm going to carry it because I don't feel like this is going to be enough, but you know. The last thing is some gum because I really need some gum. These are all my Flamingo items, y'all. I might stay up because I don't know how long I'm going to take. I take like an hour to shave or 30 minutes because I'm very hairy. If y'all don't know, I have Indian in my, I'm a lot of things, but I'm black and Indian mainly, and we are hairy, so of course I have to get that covered. Like, my belly button get hairy, it's a lot. My toes get, it's too much. It's too much. What I'm about to do is just shave. Like, my nair has aloe vera too. I'm about to shave with all my goodies. I have everything. I'll be back, y'all, after, you know, I'm done taking my shower. Hey guys, so I'm back from shaving. Literally, I am clean. I feel so good. I feel so fresh. But my armpits is burning, y'all. Like, I put the nair on there and it wasn't really taking it off, so like I shaved after, which is not a good thing to do. You're supposed to be like at least a day, which I don't have a day to do, so I'm gonna just wait until the morning. I have these 3 items that I literally just got that I want to bring. I want to bring this beige jumpsuit. I love jumpsuits, you guys can already tell. And this one, I don't think I'm gonna bring this one just because it's like a long pants and I want to be nice and hot and, you know, in my life. So honestly, y'all, I might bring my black MCM bag depending on how I feel, because at this point this is a lot. And now I have to bring my camera, my battery, the tripod. Alright, y'all, so I already brushed my teeth earlier, and I want to wait till I brush my teeth like freshly to whiten my teeth. That's what I always do. Sometimes it's really bad for the morning if I have time. But right now I'm gonna try the ultrasonic shovel, which I got a long time ago. Ooh, but I never used it. Basically, it gets like your blackheads and stuff, and I have a lot of blackheads, so I want to see if it's gonna work for me. It says you should clean your face. My face is clean, so I don't see nothing going on. Let me try my nose. Alright, y'all, I promise y'all, when she used it, she had mad like stuff coming up her face, and I was like, what the hell? I don't know because my face is clean or not. I'm not saying hers is not clean, but nothing's happening, and I don't have time for the foolishness right now. I have my skincare stuff out. If you guys want me to do a updated skincare routine, I can, because the last one I made was like 2 years ago, and it's completely different. So yeah, I wake up at 5. I'm waking up in less than an hour, y'all. This is insane. No, I'm waking up in an hour and like 30 minutes. So I'm really not gonna really like deep sleep, because me deep sleeping is not a good thing. I have to treat this like I'm going to school. Like I wake up at 6 o'clock for school every day. Oh yeah, my case is from Cases That Slay, I believe. Look at my case, really cute. To change it, because the last one I had, she gave me a, oh, this looks so cute on my nails. Hold on. So see you guys tomorrow. I'm about to put my earrings in, change my bag, and we'll see y'all in like an hour and 30 minutes at this point.
1 hour later!
I'm gonna let you guys know the state soon, so y'all gotta see when we go. But I'm already ready. I'm about to leave now. Got my little neck thing. My bag is packed and stuff, y'all. So, oh, this bag is heavy, so. Oh, the girl got her suitcase, because we're gonna be gone for 5 days. I keep on saying 4 days. It's 5 days, from Monday to Friday. So your girl's ready to go. I'm about to call my Uber now, y'all, to go to his house, because I'm leaving from his house, because we're going to take the train there. I know the ghetto, but not. The train is faster to get to Manhattan than cars. I'm not saying it's faster than cars all the time. The train is faster to get to Manhattan than cars, because it's like, it just gets really mad stops. Especially the A train, which he lives by. I don't live by the A train, so I'm going to his house. We about to leave right now, so when y'all see us again, we're gonna be there. I mean, we're gonna be at the bus station, so I'm gonna try to vlog everything, because we're kind of in a rush. I need to like get my Uber and stuff, so I'm gonna catch you guys. I don't know when, but y'all gonna see.